Brakes are a vital function of every vehicle, and caring for them takes more than just listening for the squeal of worn-out brake pads. In just 30,000 miles, brakes can lose responsiveness and feel spongy. That's why most vehicle manufacturers recommend that brake fluid be exchanged every 2 years. Without proper care, corrosion of internal brake parts can lead to brake failure. The BG Brake Service removes contaminants from the brake system and replaces old brake fluid with fresh fluid. The result is an immediate restoration of brake responsiveness and corrosion protection, which means safer driving for you. And it's backed by the lifetime BG Protection Plan at no extra charge. Ask about the BG Brake Service today.
BG.